today we have something special for you, because we are staying at the Intercontinental Hotel in Kyiv, Ukraine, and this is our hometown. And let's see what we're gonna have here, because we are tourists in this city. Let's check this place.
Intercontinental Kiev is a 5-star hotel, and it's one of the best we have in Kiev. This hotel is placed in an amazing Sofiivska Square. If you have never been to Kiev, it's like staying right in the middle of everything. So you can literally just walk to some of the major churches, to Krещатик Street, which is like just 5-10 minutes walk, and you don't really need a car here. Everything is just in a walking distance.
So we are staying at the one king bedroom. It costs $300. Room a little bit small, but I love this classic design. And here we have one king bed, desk. We have some like TV chair. We have TV, but probably this TV a little bit small for this luxury room, and a little bit old, of course. So, but it's color TV. I love it. And we have amazing view. We have church view, and this view is beautiful, and beautiful church. And of course we have some mini bar with the snacks, beverage. Fridge doesn't charge you automatically, so it's really good. You can like pull out everything and put your cold champagne or beer. It's good. And what surprised me, we have a lot of complimentary butter and snacks. We have apple, we have some cookies. It's really cool, and service here is so good. Let's go, I'm gonna show you the bathroom.
Let's go.
With golden shower.
It's your favorite.
And this is the bath. It's beautiful. We have separate bathtub, we have separate shower, we have restroom of course, but only one sink, and beautiful art. Oh no way, guys! This shower is not golden, it's silver! Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Look at this. No fun tonight. So guys, we have a bathroom, so easy, you don't need to request it.
This hotel opened in 2008, not that long time ago, but everything looks a little bit old and dated. Well, anyways, due to its very strategic location, it's one of the most expensive and luxurious hotels we have in Kiev.
So here in the hall we have a closet with mini bar and instant coffee. And instant coffee it's more common in Europe and Ukraine as well. So if you never try instant coffee, go to Ukraine and try it. So in the closet of course we have some safe, we have umbrella, it costs like $12.
And now let's explore the common grounds. Our tower has a very special spa elevator that takes us down the hall to a very special level with spa, with beauty salon, and with the 24/7 gym. Let's check it out. Lift. I'm not sure who knows the word lift, but I mean, do you guys know what lift is?
Yeah, comment below.
Probably not. What's super convenient that we have a spa elevator, and it goes down directly from our floor, so we don't have to walk in our bathrooms and sleepers through, I wanted to say casino, but it's not casino, through the hall.
But we still have casino here.
Yeah, but I'm surprised we still have a casino here. I'm not sure why, it's called Billionaire.
Billionaire Casino. And now let's check the dusty places. And this guy usually dirty. But let's check how clean this Ukraine. Oh my gosh, no way, look at this. Oh my gosh.
Have some
It's
peanuts.
so sad. Yeah, but no drugs. And let's move. Oh, here is clean. Yeah. Under the chair is clean, but we have super dirty carpet. Look,
What happened here?
I don't know. Some coffee.
Yeah, and here.
Yeah, and here and this one under the table. Look
Oh,
at
wow.
this. It's so dirty carpet. Carpet, why are you so dirty? Come on.
Yeah.
Let's check TV. But I need to get some napkins. TV is clean. Yeah, TV is clean. And let's move this guy. No, I can't move. Oh, let me check this man.
Yeah?
Yeah, believe me guys, here's clean. I can't move this guy because like he's so heavy. I don't know why. We have some stain here. You see? You see the stain? Let's move the nightstand. Maybe it's not so heavy and I can do this. Yeah. It's clean, but again we have dirty carpet. And let me check the Bible. Oh, we don't have Bible, but we have like branded gift bag from Intercontinental. So I love it. It's nice color, pinky.
Maybe we have Bible on the other side.
Yeah, let's check. Oh, we have some different nightstand. Yeah, without drawer. So we don't have Bible in Ukraine. It's so sad. Let's check the yellow stain. Okay. No yellow stain. The mattress is clean. Thumbs up, Ukraine! You're doing great job. So the bathroom is clean, yeah. But let's check this mirror because like it's hard to reach this top. Dusty. Good morning, guys. Now it's a breakfast time, but first I wanna do this instant coffee. I love this coffee. And view is so beautiful here. Come to Kyiv, this is perfect place, especially in summer. A lot of places to go for attractions, so like, yeah, Kyiv is a cool city. Are you ready for breakfast?
Yeah, I'm ready for breakfast, and we want to do some cottage cheese, kind of like pancakes. We call it cheeseniki, sirniki. Yeah,
Yeah, this is my favorite dish.
yeah, with sour cream. It's
Yeah, sirniki. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and this hotel is perfect, especially for vacation and for visitors to Ukraine, Kyiv, because like this location in the heart of Kyiv.
But as the hotel opened 12 years ago, we feel that they need a small renovation because the rooms feel a little bit dated. Also, we found some small stains on the carpet there and there, so we wish that they clean it. But the stuff and service is amazing, and we are so proud of it because we feel like tourists are in good hands here. By the way, comment below if you have ever been to Kyiv or if you have added Kyiv after watching this video.
So guys, subscribe to our channel and see you next video. Bye bye.